In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Wi-Fi is completely missing from Windows 11. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Step 1. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel, and press Enter. In the top right corner, make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab and select Restore Advanced Settings. Hit Apply and OK. This clears out corrupted network parameters that may be hiding your Wi-Fi. Now let's reset all network components. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, click Network Reset. Confirm by pressing Reset Now. Your system will uninstall and reinstall all network adapters. After reboot, check if the Wi-Fi section is back. If it's still missing, press Start, search for Services, and open it. Scroll down until you find WLAN Autoconfig. Double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start. Then press Apply and OK. Next, repeat the same for WW1 Autoconfig. Right-click each service and choose Restart. This ensures your wireless configuration engine is active. Now let's work on your actual Wi-Fi adapter. Open Control Panel. Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, click Disable, wait a few seconds, then right-click again and choose Enable. After that, press Start and search for Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Locate your Intel or Realtek Wi-Fi card. It'll have Wi-Fi in the name. Right-click, Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Select the top driver version and install it. Now here's a highly advanced method. Press Start, type Run, and enter msconfig. Under the General tab, make sure Normal Startup is selected. Then under the Services tab, click Disable All, then click Enable All, hit Apply, OK, and Restart. This resets your service configuration while preserving essential drivers, which can fix hidden Wi-Fi conflicts. This helped you? Drop a comment below and subscribe.